as together with the Ford or sedan where they are based, the Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe and Cabriolet offer style that mimics that surrounding the larger E and S-Class models. The svelte Junior Benz two-doors work as an entryway to the motoring high life, where sleek lines and luxurious cabins mean in excess of practical considerations, for example interior space or luggage capacity. Driving either a corner wheels or all four is often a turbocharged four-cylinder engine providing you with adequate, in any other case exactly thrilling, power. Some rivals offer sportier handling, zippier acceleration, and smoother rides. Nevertheless, the Class Coupe and Cabriolet are picture and coddle occupants at the nicest interiors within the segment. Tech features pioneered about the brand's costlier offerings have trickled down too, including available automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. The Class Coupe and Cabriolet are lovely, impressive pieces which are well suited for drivers who prefer in style. High-shockingly pretty exterior design, high-style interior, smooth shifting transmission. Low's expensive add-on features, relaxed driving dynamics, overly stiff ride with optional sport suspension. Verdict in either form, this baby Benz is usually a stylish over-function affair. What's new for 2018? For 2018, the coupe model ditches its 7-speed automatic transmission to the 9-speed unit from your convertible. Coupe models now come standard with blind spot monitoring, push-button start, and also a new 18-inch wheel design. The drop-top gains a semi-automatic trunk separator, new wood trim for that interior, plus an analog clock within the dashboard. Both models now offer Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as a heated tire as options. A new color, Designo Selenite Grey Magno, freshens inside the palette. Trims and options we'd choose, we can't decide between coupe or even the convertible, so we leave that $8,000 decision your choice. We would suggest a few upgrades to every of them, though, beginning with the $1,090 advanced lighting package, that gives LED headlamps with automatic high beams, illuminated door sills, and interior ambient lighting. Next, we'd add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for $350. Lastly, we'd choose the premium package $1,900 about the coupe, $1,650 for the convertible, which, among other things, adds power folding side view mirrors, Sirius XM satellite radio, premium Burmester audio system, pop-up wind deflector. Convertible only is equipped. Our chosen rear-wheel drive coupe features a list price of $47,185, while a similarly equipped convertible retails for $54,935. Starting in 2018, the Class Coupe and Cabriolet, both dubbed C300, include a 241 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-four engine compared to a 9-speed automatic transmission and either rear or all-wheel drive. Both cars offer enough scoot for zipping about or merging to the highway, but among this set, they're in the bottom of the list for acceleration times. Not only could be the C300's acceleration probably the most relaxed with this test group, its four-cylinder emits a droning, agricultural sound until you're at cruising speed, and also the engine revs drop. It's not loud, but it's not nearly as refined as being the best-sounding inland fuzz. The 9-speed transmission shifts more smoothly as opposed to outgoing 7-speed unit, and downshifts quickly when called on with regard to added oomph. If a hotter class is exactly what you're after, read the Mercedes-AMG C43 and Beastly C63 models, both reviewed separately. We endorse their powertrains without reservation. In both rear and all-wheel drive guys, the C300 coupe and convertible fall at the bottom with the EPA fuel economy charts among their rivals. In our real-world testing, the Benz's delivered achievement, together with the convertible overperforming its rating by 3 miles per gallon. Its key rivals, the Audi A5 and also the BMW 4 Series, delivered equal or better results. However, we've devised your own fuel economy test so as to replicate how most of the people drive for the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We keep a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and utilize the cruise control whenever you can to mimic just how many drivers behave during long trips. Our 2017 coupe matched its CPA rating while shifting gears over the old 7-speed automatic, while our 2018 convertible sipped fuel in a slower rate while using smoother shifting 9-speed. Large 17.4-gallon fuel tanks inside the Class coupe and convertible renew lower highway fuel economy, and so the expected road trip range is listed below are competitive while using other cars with this comparison.